Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I want to share with you my payout from the CryptoTab browser platform and show you this platform still making payout. Maybe it's not a perfect way to earn money on your laptop, but always is something. Bitcoin still a little grow up, so if I'm sell this Bitcoin at a good moment, I always can earn a little bit more than today is estimation. So like you see, at the moment, estimation of my salary from this platform is around $10. If Bitcoin will be grown up, this will be more worth it. If not, I can lose. It's always only market, so remember to invest only money what you can lose. So now I am make payout. Maximum, yes, crosswalk, verify, WinTrap. So now I need only confirm this WinRAR by my email. Confirmation is doing well. So like you see, we will make payment BTC soon. Yeah, it usually takes with 1 business day. So this BTC should be on my wallet tomorrow.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.